The FBI is searching an ICE van for drugs after a fatal shooting in Houston. Last week, immigration agents pursued a white Ford Transit cargo van that was headed to a construction job in Houston. The van's driver, Lorenzo Salgado Araujo, 52, was shot in the abdomen and killed while the 3 other passengers were in the vehicle. The federal agents, acting on an ICE assignment, were not targeting the van's occupants for drug possession or other criminal activity. The investigation began when a search warrant application was filed in federal court on Tuesday. The application, signed by a judge, described the FBI's intent to look for controlled substances and included photographs taken from inside the van of noisy, small bags that were later seized. The FBI says they are collecting all facts that could explain why the occupants fled, and what led the agents to fire. Official statements from DHS clarified that the agents had actually been looking for someone else. Neither Mr. Salgado Araujo nor the other men in the van were suspects, and there was no indication that ICE agents suspected drugs in the vehicle at the time of the chase. The van had no prior record of drug activity, and the driver did not have any known criminal history. The situation is further complicated by the fact that the search warrant application was unsealed 10 days after the incident, a rapid release that is uncommon in the Southern District of Texas where most applications remain sealed for months. The American Civil Liberties Union of Texas, which is representing the victim's family, has called the Trump administration's claim that it can investigate itself into question. The ACLU says we should remain skeptical until a fully independent probe is done. In the wake of the shooting, local lawmaking officials, including Houston's mayor and the Harris County District Attorney, have said they have not been given enough information to investigate the incident independently. On Wednesday, Governor Greg Abbott announced that the Texas Rangers would be involved in the investigation, working alongside federal officials. The case illustrates how an unexpected death or tragedy can raise complex questions about the interplay between federal immigration authorities, small-town local governments, and the legal framework of search warrants. Any evidence seized will be reviewed very carefully as the investigation unfolds. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for updates.